Hello, Automotive Vibes 07 community. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights into cutting-edge automotive innovations. Today, we're diving into a game changer in urban mobility, the 2025 Vespa Electric Rickshaw. Let's explore how this vehicle is redefining city transportation, design and build quality. The 2025 Vespa Electric Rickshaw stands out with its sleek and modern design, seamlessly blending Vespa's classic aesthetics with contemporary touches. Its compact form factor is perfect for navigating crowded city streets, while the high-quality materials ensure durability and a premium feel. Performance and efficiency. Equipped with a robust electric motor, this rickshaw offers impressive acceleration and a smooth driving experience. Users have reported a commendable battery range, allowing for extended city commutes without frequent recharging. The vehicle's energy efficiency not only reduces operational costs but also minimizes environmental impact. Comfort and convenience. Passenger comfort is a priority in the Vespa Electric Rickshaw. The spacious seating arrangement ensures ample legroom, and the ergonomic design caters to both drivers and passengers. Additionally, the rickshaw features modern amenities such as digital displays and USB charging ports, enhancing the overall travel experience. Safety features. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The rickshaw comes equipped with advanced braking systems and stability controls, ensuring secure rides even in unpredictable urban conditions. Enhanced visibility features, including LED headlights and tail lights, further contribute to passenger and driver safety. User testimonials. Early adopters have praised the Vespa Electric Rickshaw for its reliability and cost-effectiveness. Many highlight the significant reduction in maintenance compared to traditional fuel-powered rickshaws. The quiet operation and zero emissions are also frequently mentioned benefits, aligning with the global shift towards sustainable transportation. Conclusion. The 2025 Vespa Electric Rickshaw represents a significant step forward in urban transportation. Its blend of style, performance, and eco-friendliness makes it a compelling choice for city dwellers and fleet operators alike. As cities worldwide move towards greener solutions, this rickshaw positions itself as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Thank you for tuning in to Automotive Vibes 07. If you found this review insightful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.